So good day everyone, you are watching the episode 8 of Lenal'S Thought. So for today's video, we are going to talk about the application platform. So ano nga ba yung application platform? What is an application platform? An application platform is a framework of services that application programs rely on for standard operations. An application platform operates across 5 principal areas. So ito yung mga yon: development tools, execution services, data services, operating system, and cloud services. So familiar naman tayo sa operating system and cloud services kasi diniscuss natin ito sa past episodes ng ating Lenal'S Thought. So ano nga ba ang development tools? So there are several kinds of development tools, each cater to the specific needs of developers. As examples, Appian offers low-code development combined with strong process management, and that is Microsoft Power Apps. Shares similar features and ties together major services such as Office 365, SQL Server, and Dropbox. Other application platforms such as Mendix and OutSystem provide enterprise-class end-to-end software development and testing with visual application creation and comprehensive user interfaces. So familiar naman tayo sa Office 365. Ito yung binubuo ng mga Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Publisher, and etc. So, and then yung SQL Server din, meron din yung Microsoft nito, and yung Dropbox, meron din silang Microsoft Dropbox. So, next, execution services. So, ano nga ba yung mga execution services? Execution services are important for everyday application functions. Execution services are often related to application deployment options such as cloud providers, including Microsoft Azure, which can host application in virtual machines or containers. So, familiar tayo sa virtual machines kasi pinag-aaralan naman natin ito in the past few SEMs. So, yung virtual machines is ito yung gagamit ka ng isang application to run the operating system inside in your computer para hindi magalaw yung operating system ng mismong laptop or naka-default operating system sa laptop natin. So, pwede tayo mag-install ng mga Linux, iOS, and different operating system dun sa virtual machines. So, containers are increasingly important for execution because developers can package and implement complete application components in the form of images. Containers in application platform software enable faster-paced development cycles such as Agile and DevOps. So, familiar naman tayo sa the Agile and Development Operation, DevOps. So, tools such as PowerShell can be classified as an execution service that provides administrator with the means that configure and manage underlying systems. So, yun yung execution services. Next naman is the data services. So, data services helps application to process and store information. Data services work alongside execution services and interpret information which data provided by development tools or from the cloud. Microsoft Storage Spaces is one example of data service. For example, Microsoft Power Apps can work with Microsoft Common Data Service to offer a common platform for enterprise data instances. So yun. Next is cloud computing services. So familiar tayo sa cloud computing services, sinabi ko to kanina. And sa mga past, and diniscuss ko to in the mga past episodes. So, uulitin ko ulit, the cloud services provide remotely accessed functions. Application can deploy to cloud instances such as VMs and containers. But the cloud also offers many services to support application function. Apple's iCloud Drive is an example of cloud storage that stores and processes photos, videos, application, and other documents for users. So, Aside from Apple's iCloud, meron din tayong Microsoft OneDrive, and meron din tayong Cloud, OneDrive, and meron din tayong Google Drive. Yan. So Microsoft OneDrive is another example of cloud storage as a service. Cloud services have become trend for application platforms, mobile enterprise application platforms, and platform as a service due to increase in mobile users. Kung napapansin natin ngayon, mas maraming gumagamit ng mga mobile users, so mas maraming din gumagamit ng mga online application ng mga storage. So itong mga to, ginagamit to para to extend the storage doon sa cellphone and hindi malagyan ng hindi madagdagan yung internal storage ng cellphone natin. So bale external siya, which is online. So with the cloud, developers can create applications so they can be accessed on multiple devices with the same function and data involved. So yun na nga sinabi ko kanina. So before we end the topic today, the application platform, meron lamang ako reminder sa inyo. So not all these resources or services are required for every application, and not every application platform provides all 5 resources. More complex applications require more extensive and failure-rich platforms for development than simpler apps. This means that a developer might deploy multiple applications platform to support a complex application. An application's required services can also change depending on what hardware is running. For example, a user relies on Windows 10 to open an application through their laptop with a browser and Microsoft SQL Server for execution and data services. The same application opened through Microsoft Azure may use Windows as an OS and .NET and Azure SQL for execution and data services. So, sinasabi dito na hindi naman daw lahat ng application platforms natin is kailangan nung 5 binanggit natin kanina. But, ito ay nakadepende sa mga kung ano yung gagamitin mo at depende pa rin dun sa device na gagamitin mo. Kung yung device na yun is kaya niyang i-occupy yung ganong kalaking storage or ganong kalaking application. And yun nga, depende sa device and depende rin sa dun sa application mismo. That would be all. Thank you.